Standard approaches to performance management assume people are lazy. Organizations coerce them using extrinsic motivators, over-relying on carrots and sticks, threats, ratings, and pay-for-performance schemes. Money equals motivation. Employees are miserable, and science shows this traditional paradigm doesn't work. Individuals and organizations do worse when performance is managed by ratings linked to compensation. This ball and chain limits even the best companies. The solution? Break the chain. Decouple ratings from rewards by ditching biased performance ratings and ineffective incentive plans. Align people with clear direction and connect them together through shared purpose. Motivate employees by leveraging their strengths and ensuring progress on meaningful work to unlock their best selves. Pay individuals at market rates, promote and grow them frequently, and reward them with team and organizational incentives like profit sharing, gain sharing, and stock ownership. Take the leap forward.